he trying to film trains too?
Looks like he's taking some pictures of it.
It's actually going kind of fast if you look at it real good, Daddy. Look.
Yep. You're good. No, it's a video, so you're good.
There's the warp on it, right
It's going real fast, isn't it? Oh, look at this car. It's got train wheels on it.
That's a lot of tinker cars.
Yep.
There comes the Golden Fox car.
Yeah. Yeah. That gondola car had old wooden railroad ties in it. Oh yeah. Yeah. Do what? Oh, I don't know. But we're going to leave now in a minute or two. All right. Do you have anything to say? This is our last video today.
Bye, don't forget to like and subscribe and never unsubscribe. We're about more than a quarter way to 1,000, and a dead fish was funny.